Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Elden Ring low FPS problem easy and quick. First go to Windows, Update, and of course you have to check if there is any updates and install all the updates that you will find here. And after installing all these updates, click here and go to Task Manager, and then make sure Elden Ring got enough memory to work smooth. And that's it. Just click on memory and end all the tasks that you don't need, and that's it. After that you have to go to this website, which I will leave the link of it in the description. First go to files and then scroll down. You will find a lot of options, and for me I prefer this one because it will boost your performance, and also it won't reduce that much quality. So just click on it and download it. And if you can't download it, it means that you need to log in the website, and that's it. Log in the website and then download this one, and then just go back and bring the file here in your desktop, and then right click on it and click extract here and get this one, and then open it. As you see, you will find more options. Now just choose whatever you want, if you prefer to play with shadows or without shadows. And of course, if you remove shadows and also the tree animation, it will give you the more FPS that you want. And if you can't play without it, you can use this one. It will also reduce your FPS. It will also it will boost your FPS. So just take this one, or if that is not enough to make you play smooth, use this one. For me, I will choose this one. So just bring it here and then right click and extract. After that it will give you this one, this regulation file. Now once you get this file, right click on Elden Ring and open file location. Maybe for you will need to open file location from Steam. So once you get to Elden Ring file location, just scroll down, and here first thing you have to do is to right click on regulation bin, the original one, and then make a backup folder and paste it here. This is the original one, and then just replace it with the new one, and that's it. After that you don't launch Elden Ring in the normal way. You have to put a mod that makes you launch it as offline. So just this is the mod, just put it in the game. I will leave the link of it in the description too. So just put it in the game, and then whenever you want to play, launch it from this one. Right click and run as administrator. And if you want to play online, don't forget to remove this one, and then to right click and delete it, and then get the original one back, and then launch it again in the normal way. And I hope that can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.